So tip number 3 is small tasks, small goals. We all have a day ahead of us and think we can cram as much in as possible. I would say don't outface yourself. Maybe set yourself 3 or 4 small goals and split them across the day. It's much more satisfying to be able to go and tick off smaller goals than have this huge to-do list and then feeling like I'm only picking the stuff that I want to do and everything else is getting sort of pushed down the list. So set yourself 3 or 4 small goals a day, get those ticked off, and you can go to the end of the day, go to bed feeling like I have achieved today, and then we move on to our next list of small tasks for the next day.
Do not try to cram too much in. What I would say is slow it down. Be present with everything that you're doing, whether that's revision, it doesn't just necessarily be revision when you're working, whatever you're doing. Slow it down. Do not be afraid that you're wasting time or losing time, because by being present, you're putting all 100% of your energy into that moment, and you're able to accept, oh, look, that's nerves. Oh, look, I'm freaking out and panicking right now, whatever it is. And that, in essence, is the foundation and the basis of what mindfulness is. So you can be mindful in an exam as you're answering a question. You can be mindful while you're reading the questions. You can be mindful the way you're writing the answers. It just requires you to be present in the moment. So if you find your mind racing too far ahead, or it's kind of, you're getting stuck and you're starting to panic, I'm going to link a box breathing exercise to this video, and you can download that and just practice it. And I would recommend practicing it before you have the exam, before you go into the exams, before you go into meetings or presentations. And if you get stuck in the exam, close your eyes, put your hands on your belly. Remember, you are in control of your nervous system. You can control that with your breath. So just do some belly breathing, put your hands on your lower belly, inhale, inflate your belly like a balloon. Exhale, pull your belly to the spine 3 or 4 times, and that should sort it.